Wish you all a Merry Christmas. I am Sangita. Welcome to my channel. Looking at me, my dressing up, definitely you understood I am going to cook some Christmas recipe. Yes, it's festive time. Christmas is here. Definitely we should try something related to Christmas. Today I am going to prepare one Christmas snacks recipe. It's very simple, very easy, and it looks very attractive when you serve to your guest or to your family member. So let's see what am I going to prepare then. Let's start. I'm going to make stuffed mushroom. So everyone loves mushroom. Here I washed and kept it to dry this mushroom so that there is no water. I'll take this stem out. I'll use this stem for stuffing, so I'll chop it nicely. Prepare the stuffing. I'll add little bit butter. Add chopped onion. The stuffing is ready. I'll put this stuffing inside this mushroom. Then I'll cook it again. You can cook this mushroom in the oven in 170-degree temperature for 15 minutes, but depends on the mushroom size. You have to check it. If it's a big mushroom, it can take more time. If it's a small size, then it will take less time. But I thought everyone doesn't have oven, so let's do it on the gas. So yes, I'll do the shallow fry here. So I'll do it now. I cooked it for 10 minutes. I let it cool down so that I can decorate. As I say, it will be very attractive. So definitely I'll do some decoration which goes with the Christmas theme. So that's the reason I cooled it down. So I'll start the decoration now. Here is my Christmas snacks is ready. It's made with mushroom. We showed what all I put it there. Is a very simple thing, but it looks very tempting and colorful. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye. See you all in my next video. Merry Christmas.